This is OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So in the beginning, make sure that both airplane and do not disturb modes are switched off, so deactivated. The easiest way to do that is to open the control panel by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, then expand it and look for the airplane mode icon and switch it off, and do the same for the do not disturb mode, since both those features prevent you from receiving incoming phone calls, since you really need to have them enabled, disabled if you would like to, receive phone calls. Now, another thing you can try is to turn off all phone call enhancement features such as VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. So in order to do that, you will need to launch your device's settings. Here, go into mobile network category and select the SIM card you are having or experiencing those problems with. Now, switch off VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling. If that didn't help either, you can try taking the SIM injection tool and ejecting the SIM card. Then, once the SIM card is ejected, you can use a cloth to wipe its contact contact side down to make sure that there is no debris or any physical dirt or filth that prevents the contact capabilities from working properly. Even better if you will wipe this contact part with some kind of electronics-friendly cleaning solution or regular ethanol, not alcohol in general, just ethanol, pure spiritus, or pure ethanol, pretty much, will do the trick. Just make sure not to use some vodka or something else that has a lot of water inside it, since we all know that water does not go well with electronics. And the final advice that I have for you is that you try contacting your carrier or mobile network provider to see if the issue is laying on their end, not on yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.